Can you sing the song again? Sing the Fraggle Rock song.
I want to see the llama. I want to see it. I want to see it, Mommy. I want
Can you sing a song first? Can you sing Fraggle Rock?
This is the right for some day. Kind of play.
Down at Fraggle Rock.
I want to see it.
Your hands are dirty.
I can't.
Did you finish dinner?
Yeah, I did.
What'd you eat for dinner?
Pineapples.
Pineapples. That was your dessert. What else did you eat?
Dip.
You had dip with your fruit. What else did you eat?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. Was it yummy?
Yeah. I want to see the camel. I want to see the camel. I want to see the camel, Mommy. I want to see the camel.
I love you.
I want to see the camel.
All right. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
I love you.
Love you.
What's up your nose?
Booger.
A booger. Did you get it?
You want to do it?
No, thank you.
And I want to see the picture.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.